Hey guys, welcome back to our adventure with my Filipinos friend. We are going to camping and chasing waterfall, and we leaving Saturday, July 8th, 2023, and we chasing waterfall the day after, and Sunday morning from Bam to get Yoho. It's kind of like an hour and a half to get Yoho National Park. Okay, this is our first stop, Bow River, before we check in. It was nice day. We were swimming in the lake and take a deep water. It was nice. Oh, we just want to make special for Masta, our beloved friend, who is now pregnant for baby number 2. Actually, this trip it's belong to her because she was to make the idea, but she couldn't make it, but unfortunately. But we were so happy and we are so thankful for her. Okay, enjoy for our video and also for Masta. Thank you. Watch this. Okay, girls. Bye.
Wala kompleto ang kuan day.
Kasi kayo magluto pag miswa niya. Tama na day! May diet ko day!
Rumita, you eat!
Yeah, I'm coming.
What's your coming? Coming to town? Rupita, right?
Yeah.
Rupita. Picture Rupita? You have a short name?
Vita is good.
Vita.
Vita?
Okay. This is for Masta who stay home.
Hala day, sorry day.
Hey, Masta!
You missed this.
Yeah,
You booked this one for...
Hi, Masta. Thank you for
We planned this
booking.
for 3 months, right?
Thank
3
you
months.
for booking the
Oh, you have a
spot.
friend that did not come?
my Indonesian friend, she was booked for 2 of us, and she was pregnant and she couldn't make it
But
and
that's a
give
blessing.
for us.
A blessing for her, blessing for us too. Thank you.
Thank you, Masta.
Hey Maria, do you want to say hi to Masta for short video for our place?
I cook your favorite adobo. Is she there?
I make a close. No, I'm not live. Just make video.
Okay.
She might be like what is called when pregnant lady need really food.
Yeah, right?
Okay ha. Wa may butangan, wa mo ko.
There you go.
Adobo.
Oh,
Let's eat.
this is heaven.
Kami ginikilog ba na?
Kinsa man ning tubig? Akit ho man ning kanon.
Kaya Kami gibuyag niyo.
This is our campground, Canada Park.
Uy, mukaon sa kailinita uy. Mukaon sa guys, Maria?
Nagkaon na siya kanina. Duga siya ng isan.
Maria? Ha? Mukaon sa guys? Siyempre. Kinsa man eh. Lahat mo ay bitan na. Panawra ko ninyo mo. Pero dito na tayo maligo. Okay. Ina.
Okay, evening stop at Lake Miniwangka. We back because we love to take swimming in this lake. Saya sih nggak renang, cuman masukin kaki ke air dingin, tapi seger kok. Oke, enjoy, nikmati video ini ya. Bye, thank you.
Same with you. With the mountains.
bawah udah selesai. Ada di bawah. Bye, kita mau turun. Ban Ranger.
Okay, this is our walking to get Takakkaw Fall is like 30 minutes from Wapta. It was beautiful also. Looks like another waterfall in the stage for Oregon, my mom said. Okay, enjoy the video. Bye.
What are you doing?
On the way, go back to Calgary. Okay, thank you for our friend for driving. Thank you for adventure. Thank you for weather. Thank you God. Thank you for companies. Thank you for food. Thank you for adventure. We can all done. Okay, this is our way back to Calgary. I think 3 hours ahead. We starting 4:30 from Takakkaw and go back to Calgary. Hey, we arrive 7:30. Yeah. Okay, thank you for our beloved driver, Ruby. She's the badass driver.